Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Babul Hassan. Welcome to my another new video once again. In this video, I love to share the most important advanced vocabulary that is beats me. Beats me, it means I don't know, right? If I say beats him, it means he doesn't know. If I say beats them, it means they don't know, right? So beats plus subject or objective form, it means I don't know. Beats me, it means I don't know. Beats him, it means he doesn't know. Beats them, it means they don't know. For example, beats me about a matter. আমি এই বিষয় সম্পর্কে কিছুই জানি না। Beats him how to make a tea. সে জানে না কিভাবে চা তৈরি করতে হয়। Beats them how to talk to someone. তারা জানে না কিভাবে কারোর সাথে কথা বলতে হয়। So today that's all about it. Thank you so much. You have to use this conversation advanced vocabulary in your conversation. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.